Welcome to RefreshNest, your ultimate destination for home improvement inspiration. If you're considering renovating your home with an eye toward increasing its resale value, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore 6 purposeful home improvement projects that not only enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your home, but also boost its resale value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply investing in your property's future, these projects are sure to make a meaningful impact. Let's dive in! Step 1. Curb appeal enhancements. They say first impressions are everything, and that's especially true when it comes to selling your home. Boost your home's curb appeal with simple yet effective enhancements such as landscaping, fresh exterior paint, updated front door hardware, and outdoor lighting. These improvements not only make your home more inviting, but also increase its attractiveness to potential buyers from the moment they pull up. Step 2. Kitchen remodeling. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home and a key selling point for potential buyers. Invest in a kitchen remodel to modernize the space, improve functionality, and increase resale value. Focus on upgrades such as new countertops, cabinetry, appliances, and lighting fixtures. Whether you opt for a full-scale renovation or strategic updates, a refreshed kitchen can significantly impact your home's resale value. Step 3. Bathroom upgrades. Similar to kitchens, bathrooms play a significant role in a home's resale value. Consider making upgrades such as replacing outdated fixtures, installing a new vanity, updating tile or flooring, and adding modern lighting. A fresh, updated bathroom not only enhances your daily living experience but also appeals to potential buyers, making it a worthwhile investment when renovating with resale value in mind. Step 4. Energy-efficient improvements. In today's market, energy efficiency is a major selling point for home buyers. Make your home more energy efficient by investing in upgrades such as insulated windows, a programmable thermostat, energy-efficient appliances, and LED lighting. These improvements not only reduce utility costs for current homeowners, but also attract environmentally conscious buyers and increase resale value. Step 5. Functional space conversions. Maximize the functionality of your home by converting underutilized spaces into functional areas that add value. Consider converting a basement into a home office, gym, or additional living space. Alternatively, transform an attic into a guest bedroom or playroom. By repurposing unused areas of your home, you not only increase its livable square footage but also its appeal to potential buyers. Step 6. Outdoor living spaces. Extend your home's living space into the great outdoors with the addition of functional outdoor living areas. Invest in features such as a deck, patio, or outdoor kitchen to create inviting spaces for entertaining and relaxation. Enhance these areas with landscaping, outdoor furniture, and lighting to maximize their appeal. A well-designed outdoor living space can significantly increase your home's resale value and appeal to buyers who prioritize outdoor living. Congratulations! You've discovered 6 purposeful home improvement projects that can significantly boost your home's resale value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply investing in your property's future, these renovations are sure to make a meaningful impact. Remember to prioritize projects that align with your budget, timeline, and overall goals. With strategic planning and thoughtful execution, you can maximize your home's potential and reap the rewards for years to come. Remember to subscribe to RefreshNest for more valuable tips and insights on home renovation and real estate. Thank you for watching and happy renovating!